So now that we are at the end of this lesson, let's do a lab. In this lab, you are going to make playbooks flexible with variables. So to start with, create an inventory file that defines a host group web service as well as a host group DB servers. And of course, do not forget to put some hosts in there. Then create the file groupvars web service with the following content and create a simple playbook that uses the debug module to show the current value of the variables web package and web service. Shouldn't be too difficult. Good luck.